Hey there, I'm Chris, and I'll be showing you how Optumi software makes it easier than ever to operate inexpensive data centers by providing unified control over both applications and equipment. Let's dive right in. We're looking at the Optumi user interface. On the left, we show applications, and on the right, we present equipment. We have 12 commodity servers, like this, where the 4 quadrants proportionally represent its compute, storage, memory, and networking capacity. These servers are directly connected using Ethernet cables in any way you like. In this case, we use a grid, and there is no top-of-rack switch. We also have 3 Wi-Fi access points like this briefing center, and on the left, there is a campus network. We'll start by enabling this IoT telemetry application, and by clicking this button. The Optumi Graph Engine computes how it gets deployed by optimizing the needs of the applications given the capabilities of the equipment. The IoT application turned green, which means that all of its needs are met, and this blue highlight shows how this application is placed on the equipment. Below, you see how the application is composed, and hovering over each stage reveals its placement using gray highlights in the equipment pane above. Looking in more detail, we have 2 sensors, let's make them pink, that deliver information over this gray network path to this analyzer, and the processed output is then written over this path to this server. The Optumi software is designed to work with modern applications like microservices and containers, but can also handle virtual machines or bare metal. You can model your applications by using scripting, templates, or these buttons on the right. Now, let's add the web services application, and the first thing you'll notice is that the IoT app turns orange, which means its needs are only partially met. You can see that the input network is flagged as the cause, while the output network is forced into a detour. This is because web services is getting first dibs on the hardware, but we easily invert that by dragging the IoT application into first place. Now you see that the IoT app is green again because we gave it placement priority over web services. It shows how Optumi uses high-level intent to resolve resource conflicts and obtain deterministic performance. We let you express application needs, customize computations, and better yet, Optumi can monitor runtime behavior to discover key performance metrics. Taking a closer look at the web services application, you can see it is more complex. Web browser traffic flows through a firewall and a load balancer, and then fans out to one of 4 web servers, shown here in pink, each of which access this active database instance over this fan-in network. Optimizing such complexity is too hard to do manually, but Optumi makes it quick and easy so you can meet your business needs on the fly. Next, let's add a video conferencing application for the Executive Briefing Center. Instead of regular forwarding, we create an express lane for these real-time flows to lift them above the fray and guarantee a flawless video performance. Now, so far, we have been working in a sandbox and did not yet program the underlying hardware. But if you like what you see, you can provision the equipment with a click of this button in just a matter of seconds. We can show you how the application workloads are placed across the equipment with these colored slices showing the planned utilization, while telemetry reveals what is actually happening with these resources. All we need to make this work is a lightweight agent to manage the commodity gear. Now let's show you how Optumi seamlessly combines live operation with active simulation, making it easy to explore what-if scenarios while the system is running. For instance, what if this cable breaks? Optumi can automatically recompute and provision another express lane to restore service. Other options like active standby or dynamic load balancing are available. And when automated recovery is not possible, you will be quickly notified. For example, cutting off this access point turns the application red because this hardware is not redundant. And speaking of hardware, let's explore how easy it is to do capacity planning by adding equipment. If we enable this movie transcoding application and recompute, you can see it takes source material from here, transcodes it, and puts a production output on this server. What if we want to store that production output on a new server? We simply add one, like this, and add a few cables, like this, and then we move the output to the new server and recompute. We make it that easy to adapt your infrastructure. Optumi is an unrivaled solution to help you control and understand application performance using manual to fully automatic operation. There's a lot more to discuss, but this introduction illustrates how Optumi lets you focus on the needs of your software applications while we optimize and adapt the underlying commodity equipment. The result is an agile infrastructure solution that costs far less to build and operate. For more information, visit us on the web at www.optumi.com and reach out to us.